Bruh. Wait, do a test, say 1, 2, 5, bitch, huh?
Fucking dumb as shit. Hey guys. I don't know how I feel. I feel sad, mad, everything you can think of. As you can see, my thing is pretty effed up. We got frame damage. We got fender damage. Both fenders, hood, crash bar, everything. I feel mad and depressed. Not mad, depressed. Mad and sad.
How did it happen?
Well, you know, half a mile up that way. It was Sunday. Last Sunday. I came pick up my mom. We were gonna go to IKEA to return some stuff. Picked her up. She's like, yo, Nelson, you should eat something. I'm like, no, we gotta go. It's about to close. So, you know, we get in the car, I turn on. I'm happy, you know, as I'm listening to Drake over my dead bodies, you know. I'm like, damn, I had to listen to that. So, left my house. There's 2 stop signs to get on the street. So I made the first stop sign, made a left. Made the second stop sign, made a right. That road right there is 40 miles an hour. And I was going like 38, 40, around there. I know I wasn't going to over speed limit because it was raining. It was actually wet, it wasn't raining, it was drizzling. 40 miles an hour, a light comes. And it's a 1-lane road, basically. There's one going that way and one coming this way. I was going straight, and then if you're coming this way, you want to make a left turn, there's like a half, like, I say 20 yards left, so you can make a left turn. So I was going, this lady was gonna make a left turn. 3 cars went before her, I was pretty far. And I'm going 40 miles an hour, so I see the 3 cars, I'm like, okay, cool. Then in my head, I'm like, I hope this lady doesn't go. Cause at first, she hesitated to go, stopped. And then once I'm like 20 feet away, she just decides to go. And I'm going 40 miles an hour, and I just pressed the brakes and I couldn't do nothing. My thing just went sliding right into her freaking 2 doors and her fenders. So I hit her like to the side of her car. And that's how it happened. And I was really mad. I got out of the car screaming because my mom was in the car. I'm gonna take it to a body shop just to get the framework. And maybe, hopefully it's done in a month or before January, because this car is gonna be in the auto show, DC auto show. And if it's not done by January, I'll be really upset, because that show, it's a really big show, and I'm in it.
What's the future for this car?
A lot of stuff. I don't want to say, because I don't want to like just say it and not happening. So I have a lot of plans. Hopefully by next year, it'll be good. A lot of stuff, a lot.
Is your car totaled and is her car totaled?
My car, I don't know yet. I mean, they said they can fix this framework. It's just a little bent. It's only this, it's slightly bent. I mean, if they can pull it or like cut this piece off and then weld another piece, I feel like they can do that. Other than that, I think it's good. I mean, I hope it's not totaled. And her car is totaled for the reason that her airbags popped. And yeah, I think her car's totaled. My car, I don't think so. I hope not. It's about, just in parts, is about $5,000–6,000, not including paint or labor, none of that. So it's probably gonna be looking like around $8,000–9,000 just to fix my car. I was just yelling. My mom couldn't even speak. Like, she was in the passenger side. Her air got knocked out, and what made me really mad is that her seatbelt didn't even lock. Cause you know, whenever you brake hard, your seatbelt's supposed to lock. Her seatbelt did not lock at all. So after this crash, this car is just gonna be straight safety. So I'm gonna get a lot of stuff just for safety from inside. As soon as I hit, I just started yelling. I looked at my mom. When I was sliding, I just looked at my mom. And then I got the car, like, I looked at my car. I just started tearing up. Then I started yelling at the lady. I'm like, yo, what were you doing? Like, what are you doing? Like, you have a kid in the car. You know, you're supposed to drive more cautious. She just stayed quiet, but I was yelling at this point. Like, I freaking ripped off my lip on my force, and that it had 2 big bolts. I just ripped it off. I just didn't know what to do. Ripped off my fog cover, threw that thing, and you know the funny thing, I was laughing. I sticked it onto the grass. I threw it so hard, and then she just stayed quiet. And the good thing is that the cops saw everything happen, so that's why the insurance should be paying for every single little piece of this car. And I was just really angry. I was crying for a while because I'm just like, freak. Like, my mom, like, she's in the car with me, like damn, all this money I put into this car and she destroyed so quick. As you can see, it's freaking like destroyed. That's it. I mean, that's all I can really answer. You can see all the parts over there in the ground. Tow truck should be coming soon, picking up the car around 5:40. It's about 20 minutes. And yeah, see what happens. You guys will see a big transformation on this car once you see it again. A lot of plans, meaning me going all the way down to New York to pick these things up. Marisha's not going.
What?
I only can fit 2 people, and that's with me and my brother, because there's a lot of stuff that I'm gonna go pick up. And these cars, you can see, stupid cars don't fit a lot of stuff. And that truck right there, we can't drive that far. So, it's stupid. I'm gonna go pick up a lot of stuff in New York. Hopefully, like in the next 2 weeks, see how much money insurance gives me. Cause I'm expecting $8,000-9,000 from this, including labor and all that. But as you guys can see, my car is really messed up.
So this is bent?
Yeah, just put the camera facing that way. Look how straight this is, and then come to this side and look at that one.
God damn. That joint curvy, like you.
All the parts on that side. There's some
hood, your bumper. This bumper is trashed. Oh my god. Wow. Yo, can I have your trunk though?
Oh no.
What about your wheels? Boy, these ones fake. Psych now.
Oh, it came straight from Japan.
Alright guys, well, I hope you got all your questions asked. Stay tuned for rebuilding Red Rexy. A lot of things are gonna happen, right?
Yeah, no one knows, not even Mauricio.
Yeah. But you said you're gonna spend like $8,000. You're hoping to get $8,000 on it.
$8,000 to $9,000.
So he's gonna do a lot to it.
Yeah, first fix it. This guy. First fix it, then get all the stuff I want from that money. But first I need to fix that frame right there. Then everything's gonna be on me. I already told my guy who's gonna fix the car that I'm gonna get the parts that I want. Charge pipe, radiator hoses, that's messed up. My fan is messed up. It makes a really, really weird sound. I don't know if you guys want to hear it.
Yeah, let's hear it.
You guys want to hear it? Okay.
Alright.
I can't turn my car on, alright? So don't expect me to turn it on because my radiator hose is like messed up. It's ripped.
Yeah, it's ripped back here. Boy, that junk broken. That's this one right here. Yeah. Damn.
That's all we got. I'll answer all your questions. Just stay tuned. There's a lot of stuff coming to this car.
Alright guys, please leave a like, subscribe, and subscribe if you want to follow this rebuild of this beast ass car. A lot of things gonna happen to my car. A lot of things gonna happen to his car, so you might as well subscribe, right?
Yeah.
Alright, see you.